Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher. In this video, we are going to discuss about future tense, the ways how to express future time. Now what is a future tense? A simple future tense is used for indicating those actions that we think will happen in the future. In other words, we predict the future. There are a few different ways in English in which we can talk about the future. We generally use will and going to speak about the future. The words shall and will are helping verbs. We use shall generally for advice, offer, or question. Example: shall I wear a tracksuit or a pair of trousers? Now here we need an advice. One more example: shall I carry your bags? Now here what we are doing? We are offering a help. Shall I keep the jacket in the cupboard? Now here what we are doing? We are questioning. We are asking a question. We use will for future plans or when we make any promises. Example: we will visit Ooty during our summer vacations. Now here what we are doing? We are making future plans. I will always make my own bed. Now here what we are doing? We are making a promise. We use will when we decide to do something at the moment of speaking. The speaker has not decided it before. Example: what would you like to have? Soda or coffee? I will have coffee. Now here the speaker decides at the moment of speaking. We use be going to when we have already decided to do something. Example: we are going to go fishing today. Here what we are doing? We are already planning it before. She is going to do her homework tonight. Already planned action for future. I am going to fly to London tomorrow. Now what we are doing? Our future planned action. Now let us understand the structure. As you all know, with I we use am and then going to plus base form of the verb, and with singular subject he, she, it we use is going to plus base form of the verb, and with the plural subject you, we, they we use are and going to plus the base form of the verb. It means that going to we use with our future planned actions. Will have been indicates that action began in past, present or future is ongoing and will complete in future. It means it is used in future perfect continuous tense. And the structure to form it is subject, with it we use will have been and plus ing form of the verb. Let us understand it through example. Now here you can see it is written, the children will have been studying in classroom for 3 hours. Means we are telling about future action. One more example. She will have been learning French for 2 weeks. Now again we are telling about the action that is to be done in future. Hope the topic is clear to you. So my dear students, keep on learning, keep on revising and keep on studying.